Hello, it is Joe here from Rove Motorhomes Selston, and today I'm going to be showing you around this lovely IHTO-RD, which is a 2-berth, 2-belt van, just on over 38,000 miles, and it is a 2012 model. So, as usual, we'll point out the features on the outside and then do the same on the inside as well. So, just there, that is where your fresh water will go in. There are the vents behind your fridge freezer, and then you just got the toilet cassette. That is the mains electrical hookup point, and then you have got your drain valves just below. That is your flue if you are working off gas. And then coming round to the back, you do have the reversing camera up there. And then if you open these back doors, you have actually got nice storage that goes all the way through to the back, as you can see. So nice and long. And then you've also got gas bottles in there. And then coming round to the opposite side, do have the nice Fiat awning that goes across the top just to give you that little bit of extra space. And then the electrical habitation step to help you get in and out. So coming into the van, if you look to the left hand side, the cab area, and on this particular van it is a 6-speed manual gearbox on the Fiat. We've also got the reversing camera screen just there. And then the habitation chair, the cab chairs, say in very nice condition. With IHs as well, they do use all the space available to them, so there is little storage bits all over, as you can see. So plenty of storage. Do have your fridge just down there, which is a 3-way fridge, works off gas, electric, all whilst you are travelling. And you've got the nice sink area and the 3 hob burners with the electric hot plate just there. Also got the grill and oven, which are separate to each other, which is always nice. So again, just making the most of the storage like IH do. Coming into the bathroom area. Nice sized bathroom area, as you can see. Got the shower, you've also got the drop down sink just there. And then coming to the end lounge, say nice and spacious here, really good. You have got this table that stands in there, which we have taken pictures of it for so you can see it. We've also taken pictures of the bed made up so you can see it in its full size. Again, nice overhead locker storage all around with individual spotlights underneath just there. But yeah, and that is the IHTO-RD. So why not come and see it for yourself here at Rove Motorhomes Selston, where we would also provide you with a full working handover on how to control these panels and any others such as that. So come and see it for yourself, and if you've got any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, and if you want to book an appointment, give us a call. Thank you, hope to see you soon, bye bye.